Hi, Jared Carmen from Carmen Real Estate, and you're at the front of 40 Butler Avenue in beautiful Mornington. This fantastic beachside property is set on 877 square metres, and it is awesome. Corner block, get in there and check it out. So the block is really established. You've got fantastic foliage all around. So this amazing deck that wraps around the front. And it's really lovely in summer. It's grown in, it's really awesome. It's shaded, gorgeous. Walking in, you have this beautiful timber floor. So this chestnut coloured timber floor, it's gorgeous. Coming through some barn doors into this L-shaped lounge. It's a really nice space. Open, very cool, and you've got like a formal dining area just here too. So this is where you relax with family and chill out. Through more barn doors, you come into the kitchen. This is a really cool kitchen. Remodeled, stone bench tops, stainless steel appliances. It's got a fair bit of storage and it's just really nice. You've also got an informal dining area just here, again with timber floors running all the way through. And that goes out to a fantastic deck. But it's all part of this nice central area. So you've got formal dining there, informal dining here, a nice entrance. It all links together and the kitchen is right in the hub. Let's head down the hall. So to my right, we have a study or a bedroom. That could be really set up as a fantastic home office. You could see people coming up towards the front. Bedroom one, good size, nice built-in robes, really light, bright coming through there. Very cool room. Down the hallway, bedroom two. So bedroom two again, built-in robes, nice fresh carpet, really good space. Through to the bathroom. So you've got the main bathroom here. Main bathroom's been remodeled. You have a separate toilet and laundry. And then through to the main bedroom. So the main bedroom's got a lot of storage. It's a really good size, nice big room. Again, through to the built-in robes, and then you have a renovated bathroom. So stepping out of the kitchen and the informal dining area there, come out onto this fantastic deck that I mentioned before. This is just lovely. It's a really private space, so you're not looking out to anyone, no one's not looking to you. It is brilliant. And then you come across, with the side access, you've got double garage. So the garage is set behind private gates here. You've also got some more storage with another shed. This is such an amazing home and it's in an awesome location. It's set up perfectly, ready for you to go, ready to move straight into. It's got a very nice vibe about it. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself and my team a call anytime. We'd love to get you through, but be quick, it won't do it.